an example of this jaw tightening thing. I went to a doctor and also ENT specialist, ENT, that my mouth will get dried up. And also, sometimes I feel that there is very much tightness nearby my jaws. Now, this is something which I was not able to understand why this tightness is coming. You told that bring your awareness into that. Just be aware. There is nothing to be, judge or anything. Just bring your awareness. The body is very tricky. When you bring the awareness, it will slowly start showing no symptoms of that. So it has a tendency that you wanted to prove that okay, I'm seeing you. There is the tightening of the jaws is getting reduced. Now the jaw tightening is not there at all. Actually the jaw tightening is not there. There are a lot of things which has reduced to a very good level, that I can see a difference in that. The panicking, unnecessary thought process, unnecessary story building my mind which is doing. Now also it builds up, but then come back, come back to the sensation. So the energy is there. Now intensity has reduced, that thought's intensity, and I am able to diffuse it.
Great. Wonderful.